Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is see. Here is a picture of a man that can see a book. Here is see in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. See means perceive with the eyes, discern visually. See. Past progressive was seeing, past saw. Present progressive seeing, present see, and the future will see. Let's build a sentence. I see. Today, we will use the present tense. Let's build a sentence. I see, What? What do I see? I see potential. Potential. Not potential, potential. Let's build a sentence. I see potential. Where? Where do I see potential? I see potential in you. I see potential in you. Let's build a sentence. I see potential in you. What? What is the potential? To help people. I see the potential in you to help people. Let's build a sentence. I see the potential in you to help people. What? What will you help them do? I see potential in you to help people feel better. It's a good thing. Let's build a sentence. I see potential in you to help people feel better. How? How will you make them feel better? With your beautiful music. Oh, you're a musician. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words: who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.